Hey guys, what's going on? So welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool origami stapler designed by Jeremy Shafer. And check it out. It looks really cool. See? And it even works. Yep. And yeah, it's a really cool model. And yeah, and it's got a nice metal thing right here, and it's got a nice inside to it. Yep, and you can make origami staples and put them in there. And yeah, you can pretend like you're stapling stuff. You can staple some paper like this. This is that origami flicker that I taught right here. And yeah. And I folded this model from a 10-inch square of foil origami paper. If you get a package of 10-inch kami like this, it comes with a gold sheet and a silver sheet. And I used the silver sheet from this package. And yeah, and it came out really nice. Well, in his tutorial, he actually used the silver sheet and a sheet of kami back to back. But I just used the sheet of foil because it's easier. And yeah, but it'll look better when you use two different colors. But yeah, but I think it looks nice like this too, the white and the silver. Yep, I just use one sheet because it's easier to fold than using two. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Oh and yeah, to learn how to fold it, here's the tutorial. So yeah, alright, hope you guys enjoyed this demo. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.